Okay. So children, today we will be starting with the fourth lesson, that is clothes. Children, please mute. Okay. Yes. So children, as you all know that for a human being, what all things are necessary? Yes. Can you tell me what all important things are there for a human being?
Clothes.
Yeah. First is what? We need air to breathe. Yes, okay, food, water and shelter, okay, but along with that we also need clothes to cover our body. Yes, so children, we need air, water and food to live, okay, but what else do we need? We also need clothes. Yes, why do we need clothes, children? Yes, yes. Just see, thousands of years ago, okay, the human beings, they used to live in caves. Children, can you tell me what is the meaning of cave? Yes. Yes. Okay. Cave. Yes. Okay. Huh. Yes, and what they used to do, they used to not have any, as we how as now we have the buildings. Okay, we will have two-store buildings. Yes, okay. So in the earlier days, it has not happened like that. In the olden days and all, what they used to do, they used to live in the cave. Okay, and the people, they used to cover their bodies with the help of animal skin. Yes, they used to cover their body with the animal skin. Children, everyone, please mute and keep your videos off. Okay, yes, the body they used to cover with the help of the animal skin, okay, and the bark of the trees. So with the help of the trees only, they used to put the leaves around them, okay, and they used to cover their body, right? Later on, slowly what happened is they started using the natural fibers to make the clothes. Okay, we have variety of clothes now. Yes, we have cotton, we have synthetic, we have jute. Okay, we will see in this lesson how different types of fibers are being taken with the help of different sources. Okay, children, what is the importance of clothes? My voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, children, now, yeah, now see, what is the importance of clothes? Okay, it will help us in getting the body covered. Okay, later on during the sunny days, what happens? We need full clothes, right? Because of the sun rays. Okay, during the summer season, it is very hot. Okay, we will also wear the cap, okay, to protect our head, right? And due to the sun rays, what will happen? Our skin will get burned. Yes, we will get tanning. Okay, direct sunlight on our skin, especially during the afternoon time. Okay, as the time goes on passing, nearly 12 o'clock, okay, the sun is above our head. Yes, and we start feeling very hot, right? So what happens is we have to use particular clothes during particular season. Okay, for the protection from rain. Tell me, children, what you use during rainy season?
Raincoat.
Yes.
Raincoat.
Yes. Yes, children. We use raincoats which is waterproof. Okay? Which is, yes, we also use umbrella to keep,
And
yes,
this is also thunderstorm.
yes,
Umbrella point.
yeah, just see which should be waterproof. Children, what is waterproof? Waterproof means the water should not enter into that particular fabric. Okay?
वाटरप्रूफ मतलब कि अगर आपकी बहुत वाटरप्रूफ है तो वो पानी से भीगेगी नहीं, खराब नहीं होगी.
Yes, correct. It will protect the material from the water. Okay, it is waterproof. Okay. Yes, and yes, even the bags. Yeah, and for the bags also now we are getting the raincoats. Huh. Yes. Yes, children. So raincoats also they are made up of waterproof. Okay. Next, for protection from dust and insects, we keep our bodies properly covered with clothes. During the night time, okay, what will happen if you don't wear complete clothes and all? Sometimes the mosquitoes might bite you. Okay. Next.
Yes, there is a mosquito spider.
Yes. Yes, insects, okay, and dust. Even for the people who have dust allergy,
Then mosquitoes.
yes,
Mosquitoes infect our malaria and dengue.
yes, correct. Okay, so we have to keep our bodies properly covered. Okay, and proper choice of the clothes will make us look good. Yes, now we all have different type of taste regarding the clothes. Okay, some people, okay, like boys, yes, some people they will like what t-shirts. Some people will like full shirts. Okay, yeah,
Ma'am,
huh.
3 months की साइज ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so children, we were discussing regarding the choosing of the clothes. We are discussing regarding the choice of the clothes. Clothes all different. Now see, in your friends only, you can have a small activity. Okay, now different like boys and girls. Okay, they will have different taste of wearing the clothes. Right? So the things that will look good on us, we will wear that only. Right? Hiremat, what's the name?
What, ma'am?
Uh, the one with black shirt. Who is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, clothes are what they are the basic necessities. Yes, we all need clothes to cover ourselves, to protect ourselves. Yes, and to look good also. Right? And today we will discuss the variety of the clothes to choose from. Yes, in different season we will use different types of clothes. Yes, children?
Ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am? Yes.
Yes. Okay, so just see there are different types of clothes. Okay, we will use them in different seasons, right? Always the clothes should be clean. Yes, always the clothes should be clean and dry. Okay, what will happen if you wear dirty clothes? Children, what does the dirty clothes carry? They carry germs. Yes, yeah, dirty clothes will carry germs and always keep the habit of wearing clean and ironed clothes. Okay, if you can't do ironing, germs. Okay, yes,
Not clear.
voice is not clear.
Mama, your voice is clear.
Okay, so there might be some internet issue. The one who is telling, please mute once again and unmute. Okay, yes, so children, depending upon the profession of a person, can you tell me what is the meaning of profession? Children, do you all know what is profession? Now if your mother or father is a doctor, okay, they will wear different types of particular dress. Doctors will wear different type of dress, right? Yes, yes, okay. So if they are in soldier, yes, just say children, if they are in military, okay, or in soldier, army, okay, so they will wear military dress. Huh. Yes, and police dress, policeman, policewoman, they will wear police dress. Okay, yes, for doctors, for pilot, and for lawyers, yes, yes, soldiers. Okay, yes. So children, just see if there are different types of professions depending upon the profession. Yeah, for teacher, yeah, for teachers there is no any particular dress. Okay, yes, depending upon the school, if the school will allow the dresses, then they will wear the particular dress. Okay, now school dress, as the children, okay, students, they will wear different types of dress depending upon the school uniform. Okay, so what does the clothes tell us? They will tell us that that particular person is a doctor, is a soldier, lawyer, okay, pilot, nurse. Okay, so depending upon the profession, they will wear that particular type of dress. Okay, children? Yes?
And fireman.
Fireman. Yes, fire brigade person. Okay. Yes. So clothes according to the weather. Weather means what? Now we have rainy season. We have to be very much warm. Okay. So what is warm meaning? You have to wear sweaters, you have to wear socks, cap, Okay, you should not get yourself cold. Okay, you should be very much warm now to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, so during the summer, what type of clothes will you wear, children? Will you wear woolen clothes during summer? No. Which clothes do you wear? Cotton clothes. Yes. Why cotton clothes? Because they will absorb sweat. Okay, and they'll help us to keep ourselves cool. Yes, children. So cotton clothes are used because they will absorb the sweat. Okay, they'll absorb the sweat. Also, the body will be very much cold. Okay, this is for the cotton. Cotton material. It is used during summer season. Okay, and we should wear very light colored dress. Okay, do not wear any dark color clothes because light colors, they will not absorb heat from the sun. Don't wear black color during the summer season. Black color, it is meant for absorbing the heat and your body will start becoming hot. Okay, you will feel very much hot.
Swimming suits are in black color.
Yes,
Ma'am, because only our swimming suits are black color.
yes, correct, very good. Okay, children. So, depending upon the summer season, we have to wear cotton clothes and we have to wear light colored clothes. Why light color, children? Because light color will not absorb more heat. Is it clear? Next, in the winter, tell me, children, in winter, what type of clothes do you wear? Woolen clothes. Yes. Yes. So it is woolen clothes, and here it is opposite. We have to wear dark color clothes.
Ma'am, sweater cap.
Why dark color clothes we have to wear? It will absorb the heat, okay, and it will make our body warm. Okay, so this is in case of winter. Dark colors, they are known to absorb the heat. They will absorb the heat and make our body warmer. Okay, but not in case of summer. In summer we have to wear light colored clothes. Okay, don't get confused. Summer we have to wear cotton clothes and it should be light color. Winter, we have to wear dark colors which will absorb the heat. Is it clear, children? Down in winter clothes and for summer clothes, they have shown you some figures. Can you see there? In winter clothes, what all things you will wear? You will wear cap. Yes, you will wear sweater, hand gloves, socks, okay, and scarf. Yes, children? So this is during the winter clothes. Yes, cap. Okay. Yes. During summer, what all? Yes.
Ma'am, full pant.
Okay, full pant. Yes, to keep ourselves warm. Okay. Next one, in summer, can you tell me in summer what all things you will wear? You will wear shorts. Okay. You should feel very much cool. Yes. Next, you will try to wear the sleeveless ones. Yes, children, and you will be wearing cotton clothes which are light in color. Okay, any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next one, clothes. Just say, children, clothes according to occasions. Okay, now if you are going to different occasions, like if you are going to school, you will wear uniforms. Yes, if you are at home, you will be like casual clothes, which will feel very much comfortable. Yes, children, what are you doing there? Khan, no attention. Children, tell me, if you are a sports person, then what will you wear? Okay, if you are playing badminton, okay, there are different types of clothes. Okay, if you are playing cricket, okay, you might have seen in cricket what all things we wear. Yes? Yeah. Okay, so if you are a sports person, and tell me during, yeah, yes. Yeah, during the sports, particular type of, depending upon the sport, which sport you are playing, depending upon that, the clothes will be given. Okay, tell me, children, if you are going to some birthday party, what will you wear?
Ma'am, frock.
Yes,
Party dresses.
yes,
Party dress.
party dress you will wear. Yes, so,
Party dress.
Yes, children. So party wear, it is for the birthday parties, okay, any functions, during the festivals. Okay, girls, they will get groomed themselves very nicely, and boys, depending upon their things, what all are there, okay, they will be getting ready. Okay, so we all know how to get ready in different types of occasions. Okay, now tell me, if you are at home, you will be like normal, right? You will not get so much dressed up. You'll be feeling comfortable at your casual dresses. Yes, so this is according to the occasions. While playing sports, you will be in a sports wear. During the festivals and parties, we will wear special dresses. Yes, so this was for today. Just say, children, page number 33. Page number 33, you can see there's a boy who is wearing the school uniform. Yes, next one is sports wear, party dress, night dress. Okay, night dress, full shirt, full pant, okay, to protect ourselves from the mosquitoes, from the dust, okay, and any types of insects. Okay, to protect ourselves, we'll be in full dress. Party dress, yes, depending upon the availability, okay, we will get ourselves very nice dressed. Okay, sports wear, okay, how you are comfortable, okay, and what you are comfortable, depending upon the sport which all it is allotted, depending upon that we will wear that particular sport wear. Okay, next one is school uniform. You all have your school uniforms. Yes, why? Because you all should look equal. Okay, no one is big, no one is small. You should all be in equal, in equality, right? So for that purpose, we all will allot the school uniforms for different schools. Is it clear, children?
Ma'am,
Huh?
yes.